Aus meiner Reihe Antikriegs- und Friedenslieder spiele ich heute einen Song, der heißt Eve of Destruction. Der wurde 1965 von einem Sänger mit dem Namen Barry McGuire gesungen. The world is exploding, violence flaring and bullets loading. You're old enough to kill, but not for voting. You don't believe in war, but what the gun you're toting. And even Jordan River has bodies floating. But you tell me over and over and over again, my friend, you don't believe we're on the eve of destruction. Oh, don't you understand what I'm trying to say? Oh, can't you feel the fear that I'm feeling today? If the bottom is scorched, there's no running away. There'd be no one to save with the world in a grave. I'll take a look around you, boy. It's bound to scare you, boy. But you tell me over and over and over again, my friend, you don't believe we're on the eve of destruction. My blood so mad feels like coagulation. I'm sitting here just of contemplation. You can't twist the tooth, no regulation. And a handful of senators don't pass legislation. How much is alone can bring integration when human respect is disintegrating? The whole crazy world is just a frustration. But you tell me over and over and over again, my friend, you don't believe we're on the eve of destruction. Think of all the hate there is in China, then take a look around in Selma, Alabama. You may leave people for days in space, but when you return, there's the same old place. The pounding on the drum, the pride is disgrace. You can bury your dead, but don't leave a trace. Hate your next door neighbor, but don't forget the great grace. But you tell me over and over and over again, my friend, you don't believe we're on the eve of destruction. But you tell me over and over and over again, my friend, you don't believe we're on the eve of destruction. Und wenn es euch gefallen hat, Daumen nach oben drücken und bitte den Abo-Button drücken. Das wäre auch echt super cool. Also, Dankeschön.